Do you also feel confused when someone says TDS, ITR, or tax slabs? Or maybe you just wanted to know how much tax you actually pay. Don't worry, in next few minutes I will make income tax so simple that even beginners can understand it clearly. And at the end I will show you a real example of rupees 10 lakh salary through step-by-step calculation. Let's start with the basic. So what is income tax? Income tax is simply money you pay to government from your yearly earnings. In India, this is collected by income tax department. Now let's see some terms associated with income tax. Let's start with the first term, gross income. This is your total income before any deductions. For example, if you earn 10 lakh per year, your gross income is 10 lakh. Now comes the most important part, that is taxable income. This is the income on which tax is actually calculated. For example, if your salary is 10 lakh and you get 75,000 standard deduction, your taxable income becomes 9 lakh 25,000. The next important term is TDS, which stands for tax deducted at source. This means your employer already cuts some tax before giving you the salary. The last important term is ITR, income tax return. This is a form you fill to tell government how much you have earned, how much tax you paid. If extra tax was deducted, you get a refund. Think of it like this. You earn some money, some tax is deducted, you file ITR to settle everything. Now, here is something most people don't know. Income does not come from just salary. There are five types of income. First one is salary, your monthly job income, which includes wages, bonuses, and allowances. The second one is house property, that is rent from your house, rental income, value appreciation of your property. The third one is business or profession, the profit which you earn from your business or the professional fees which you take from your profession. The fourth one is capital gains. It includes investment, real estate appreciation, profit from stocks, land, everything. Fifth one is other sources. That includes interest, dividends, pension, gifts, and all. Tell me in comments which type of income do you have? First, second, third, fourth, or fifth? Or all of them? This is important because tax rules depend on income type. Now comes the most important part of income tax, that is tax slabs. In India, the government offers two different types of tax system, that is called regimes. You can choose the one that suits you better. The first one is new tax regime, that is simpler and it includes very less exemptions and deductions. This system is designed to be easy and straightforward. It has lower tax rate, but you cannot claim most of the deductions like investments or your insurance or etc. The tax rate under this regime is up to 4 lakh it is nil, 4 lakh to 8 lakh it is 5%, 8 lakh to 12 lakh it is 10%, 12 lakh to 16 lakh it is 15%, 16 lakh to 20 lakh it is 20%, 20 lakh to 24 lakh it is 25%, and above 24 lakh it is 30%. This regime is best for the people who want simplicity and less paperwork. Now let's come to the another tax regime, that is old tax regime. That includes a lot of deductions and it is little bit complex compared to the new regime. This system allows you to reduce your taxable income by claiming deductions such as Section 80C, Section 80D, HRA, etc. But the tax rate are higher. The tax rate under the old regime is up to 2.5 lakh it is 0%, from 2.5 lakh to 5 lakh it is 5%, from 5 lakh to 10 lakh it is 20%, and above 10 lakh it is 30%. This regime is better if you have many investment and deductions. Simple rule to choose. Want easy calculation and no complexity? Go for the new regime. Want to save tax using deductions? Choose old regime. Then what is standard deduction and tax regimes? What is a standard deduction? It is a fixed amount allowed as a subtraction from your gross salary income. without requiring any expense bills or proofs. A certain amount is been deducted by the Government of India from your gross salary is known as standard deduction. It is different for different regimes. For old regime it is 50,000 and for new regime the standard deduction is 75,000. The old regimes allows many exemptions or many deductions like as ATC, ATD, HRA and all the things. New regime does not allow most of them. The rate of interest in the old regime is slightly higher, but in the new regime it is slightly lower. The old regime allows multiple deduction and exemptions that will compensate the higher rate of interest. So this is all about standard deduction and the tax regimes. Understand how income tax works in simple and practical way using Rahul's example under new tax regime. First step, calculate the taxable income. Rahul earns a total salary of 10 lakh per year. He gets a standard deduction of 75,000 under the new tax regime, which is a fixed deduction allowed to the salaried individual. Now the total taxable income is equal to 10 lakh rupees minus 75,000, that is 9 lakh 25,000. Now tax will be calculated on this 9 lakh 25,000, not on full 10 lakh rupees. Now the step 2 is applying the new tax slabs. Now the taxable income is divided into different tax slabs. For first 4 lakh, the rate of interest is 0%. 4 lakh to 8 lakh, the rate of interest is 5%. And from 8 lakh to 12 lakh, but our income is 9 lakh 25,000 only. So it will be taxed at 10% rate of interest. Now see what is the tax. Up to 4 lakh, the tax is 0 as it is 0%. From 4 lakh to 8 lakh, it is incurred at 5% rate of interest. So 5% of 4 lakh, that is 20,000. Now, how many amount is remaining? The taxable income is 9 lakh 25,000. 9 lakh 25,000 minus this 8 lakh, the upper limit of the previous one, is equal to 1 lakh 25,000. So 10% of 1 lakh 25,000 is equal to 12,500. Now total tax before the cess amount is equal to 20,000 plus 12,500. 20,000 plus 12,500 is equal to 32,500. Now at the last step, Government of India adds or charges additional 4% health and education cess. That is 4% on this tax before the cess. That is 4% of 32,500 is equal to 1,300. Final tax payable by Rahul is equal to 32,500 plus 1,300 cess is equal to 33,800. This is the final tax that is paid by Rahul. Now try it yourself. If someone among you is earning 8 lakh rupees per year, what will be your tax? Think of it step by step using the same method. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more valuable contents.